sandbox. Cooking
Dad,
class.
if you can guess who drew
The Simply
which
Draw.
drawing, you get $100.
I don't know.
Today we're gonna use Simply Draw.
Everyone ready?
I don't know to do
All right,
Simply
Paul, which
Draw.
one are you gonna draw?
I'm talking about Cooking Clash, not
Draw the ladybug.
I think I'm gonna draw Santa Claus.
I need to skip the ad.
How's it going?
This is turning out better than I expected. It's really fun.
Really good. He's never gonna guess I drew this.
No.
All right, Dad, here's the drawings.
Okay.
You gotta guess who drew what.
Well, Paul loves cats, so that's easy. I
Oh,
bet
you
that's
think
his.
it's yours?
You.
You think she drew that?
So Mom drew the ladybug.
$100!
They all look really good.
Go check out Simply Draw if you want to get
Simply
better
Draw.
at drawing.
With better drawing. Oh my god. It's a simple drawing. How can you remove these dots? Okay, skip the ad. Yeah.
This restaurant got 5-star. I'm gonna try it.
Yes, you do.
A choice steak, please. I'd like it to be medium rare.
Okay, cheese.
My parents went to this restaurant before, and they never came back.
Cheeseburger, cheeseburger, cheeseburger. Cheeseburger, cheeseburger, cheeseburger,
I'm gonna try it.
cheeseburger, cheese. Hello?
My stomach is a roll.
Oh, your extra cheeseburger, you like
It's
it?
good. Here's your extra tips.
Could I get a salad? I'm vegan.
What? Little Rigid? What are you doing
Looks like a good food shop. I can't wait for my lunch.
Don't annoying him! Don't be annoying!
Could I have a large Coke with extra ice?
A box of salad?
Looks like a good food shop. I can't wait for my lunch.
What? What? Oh my god, I saw
This drink saved me from the bloody
Where's the
sun!
potato?
Could I have fries with some salt on top?
Okay. You're tasty.
Thank you. This flavor reminds me of my
Gee,
grandma.
you throw me.
These fries are so good, I can't stop eating
Raw
them.
fries is delicious.
Give me
no,
money and
where's the
cheeseburger.
potato?
Stuff the bag.
Potato.
You son of a bitch!
Wow, somebody. What are you doing here, Peter? Pig.
My parents went to this restaurant before, and they
No.
never came back.
There's no cat in a potato. There's no cat in potato. There's no cat in the potato. So, I want to do another one. So, it doesn't have cats and potatoes. How about leeches? Not this ad. I don't know. What's this? Not the puzzle story. A house. We need a quarters. Rich out. Oh my god. Better bed. How about this one don't fail? No tape. No tape. Finished. Finished. See, I told you no tape. Is that your original story? The recycle bitch. You need some windows? I'm talking about cooking class, not this ad. No, this ad. This ad is really important.
This restaurant got 5-star. I'm gonna try it.
Okay.
I'd like to order a burger.
Okay.
Be quick.
Oh, there you go.
This place is an urban tale. They have the craziest chef ever.
I hope you like it. Would you like it or not?
It's a chow time.
Now get down!
Give me money and cheeseburger. Stuff the bag. Damn you for doing this.
Oh.
A really cozy place.
I didn't. It wasn't me. I shot a robber.
This restaurant got 5-star. I'm gonna try it.
Don't be a get out, Mr. Cat. Okay, I will make you a bunch of fries.
Looks like a good food shop. I can't wait for my lunch. Hi, I'll have a burger. For here, thank you.
Yes, here. Extra fries. Shot. No, not the robber again. He's gonna shot a customer.
You made my day. Please take your reward.
Here we would.
What is this? The taste is
Nobody
awful.
move, unless you want to get your head blown off. Ha ha ha!
Hey, don't
son of
throw
a
me rocks. That's what you get if you throw me rocks. I was the end.